Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things with day 28 of March Madness. I really think this is the cutest card ever, and I cannot really tell you why. I bought the stamp set. This card was done in card class. I immediately did some changes to it from how the pieces were delivered. I tore the Piggy, colored the Piggy with the colors provided. This is probably Petal Pink, Light and Dark, and Sweet Sorbet. That is my guess. And this DSP, I think, is now retired. I used the butterflies. They're floating around here. I just thought they would be so cute. Brushed brass butterflies. I, again, bought this birthday Piggy. I think mine is uninked. I've done 2 or 3 projects now over the time. Look, this is fresh. Fresh as a daisy. It actually was on sale over the holidays. The big extravaganza sale had a variety of things at different percentage points, and I was also able to get the dies that they released as a separate. Sometimes they'll do special releases. So this is the coordinating dies, and I got these on sale. They are also not used, and they are very cute. I like where I can use the pieces in other types of projects. So this wagon, for instance, and all the little pieces with the wagon. I've got some grass, a little bird, a flower, the little banner, just cute little whimsical pieces. It even has confetti. I don't know how hard it would be to use this confetti, but there's if you used adhesive backed paper, it would be way easier to then take those bits and pop them out and then apply them to your project. So definitely a good set to look at. So the dies, I believe, are not for sale. I'm gonna check that really quick. I don't want to mislead anyone. Nope, they are for sale. Oh, they're still on clearance. They have not sold out. So these are normally $31, $12.40. So I could not pass that up. They must have made a lot of them, because that sale price is the same price I paid in December. Let's see what's the inside look like. Did we do anything on the inside? Yes, we did. I find in the card classes there we very consistently do something with the inside. I don't know if you guys heard that. Oh, something fell or something. So a little strip of DSP off to the side is a nice little treatment to do. You can even do that on your envelope. And I'm sure I had an envelope, because we always do envelopes, but who knows where it has gone. So I have the stamp set. I will be able to whip out an envelope when I finish this one off to be able to sell it. I did a double bow, and I just love it. I think it's very cute. So leave your comments, questions, or concerns here on this video or over on my blog. I will have all the supplies available on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tune in tomorrow for day 29. We're so close to done. I can't believe it. And as always, thanks for watching.